Hi everyone, it's Miss Brenner. I'm here with your Wednesday update for September 9th, 2020. I just want to go over our agenda for your Asynchronous Wednesday, so that way you are fully aware of everything that is due. So if you are in my 9th grade English class, you need to complete plot notes in Edpuzzle. You also need to complete your creative writing and log 30 minutes of silent reading in Schoology. If you have not yet completed your ERLA readings and quizzes, please make sure that you do so tomorrow. If you are in my science fiction, you are completing your creative writing, that is in the Wednesday folder, as well as completing the Shakespeare web quest, which is in the Activity 1 and 2 folder. You should log 30 minutes of silent reading in Schoology, and if you have not yet completed your ERLA readings and quiz sets, please make sure you do so. As far as grades, they have been transferred to home access. So while you are home tomorrow, please do me a favor and check and make sure that the grades line up on your end. What I see on my end looks great. However, who knows? Maybe it won't look right on your end. So please contact me if you have any questions or just affirming that you are able to see them and they look good. The things that you should see show up are your syllabus quiz, your About You video and discussion, and your Wednesday creative writing. My office hours on Wednesday are from 11 to 11:45 a.m. and my email is brennerS@mannheimcentral.org. While we are in this video, I just want to show you once again that, sorry, I'm trying to move the box, that if you go into our week 2 for my 9th grade, if you go into week 2 and click under the Wednesday Activity 2 folder, you will see that our elements of plot notes for Edpuzzle are right here, along with the Pixar clip and plot diagram. We will double check the Pixar clip plot diagram on Thursday when you return, and then on you need to complete your Wednesday creative writing, which is all in the same folder. For my science fiction, your Wednesday creative writing is in the week 2 folder under Wednesday creative writing, and then completing your Shakespeare web quest, which is in the Activity 1 and 2 folder. Our silent reading log is still in the pink folder, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I will see you on Thursday. Bye!